Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to give you some quick cleaning motivation, some daily tasks that needed to get done. So first off, I am emptying my dishwasher, and then I'm going to go ahead and tackle one more task after this. This is another collab with Tiny Tidy Tuesday, so there will be a link down below in the description box for more cleaning motivation, decluttering videos to get your week on track and tackle those messes and those projects and places that need to be decluttered. This is a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home, and it is an open collab where we like to inspire you to tackle those messes. So I'm going to put on a little bit of music for a little bit while I finish up emptying the dishwasher, and I will be back with the second task in a bit. The second task that I'm tackling in today's video is cleaning off my dining room table. This area just piles up. Even though we clean it, because we are constantly using it for eating and activities, it just piles up even if we have cleaned it previously in the day. So this is definitely something we tackle daily. My kiddos try and help, but they get distracted, and then my 3-year-old is playing here the most, and she tries to clean up, but we're working on it. But yeah, I can't be the only one where their dining room table just piles up with different things from the daily, and we have been trying to keep it clean, but this particular day we had a break within the chaos. So we have had some summer ants coming in right by our entranceway, which is where our dining room is. So any crumbs that got on the floor, we needed to clean up like super fast, and it was tiring me out. And so finally the ant traps were working and the ants were not seeming to come in. So the table got a little bit out of hand, and the crumbs were here, but the ants were not coming, so I didn't feel like I had to rush to clean the table and the floor and all of the things. So I let the mess pile up a little bit longer, and I'm finally tackling it, and that is okay. This season of life for me is super busy with 4 little ones, and I'm doing the best I can, and that's okay. You do the best you can in this season of life, and take it easy, do what you can when you can, and tackle the messes. And we hope to inspire you with these playlists weekly These playlists are going to be up every Tuesday. I'm hoping to participate when I can. There's always something to clean around my home, so I just filmed some daily tasks. But yeah, don't feel overwhelmed. I know that sometimes I feel overwhelmed, but try not to feel overwhelmed and take things one step at a time and give yourself grace in whatever season you're in. It's all good. You can do this, you can tackle this, and you've got this. Make one area in your home better today, and you will be better off tomorrow. So just getting all of the table cleared off. I love getting my table cleared off because it is a place that no matter what I do seems to get clutter on it because we use it. It is so refreshing to finally get that space cleared off and wiped down. It's just so refreshing. The rest of the room can be chaotic, but when that area is decluttered and wiped and refreshed, it's just like, ah. And it's almost motivating. Like you could get up and you could tackle another task because that area is clean and you feel motivated to tackle another task. What is one area in your home where once you clean it, it motivates you to get up and keep going? All right, so that is this week's Team Tidy Tuesday, and we got it done. And I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more cleaning content, homeschooling, and home decor and motherhood videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.